Boys, this is going to be a video for 5th of May, 5th of June 2026, May. So, just don't give up, man. Never ever give up on your dreams. Do not fear it. Do not fear anything. Fear is just an illusion, bro. Fear has no power, but we just give it power. So it seems stronger than us, but the truth is we are more stronger than anything. Anything psychology, being happy, being sad, being angry, being numb, anything, bro. It's just you give the power to it. That's the reason why it will show up. It has power towards you, power on you. But if you don't give power to it and you take power, you take control, nothing else is going to stop you. Nothing can stop you. And I don't know how, but I just have to keep going. God give me the strength. God gave me the strength and this ability to actually keep showing up. And I'm really, really grateful for it. I might be in the good grace of God, probably lucky for it and thankful for it. But I just cannot stop. I just cannot give up. And got another eval today. Just took a random ass trade. I don't know where the price is actually about to go, but here we go. Let me just break that out, eh? Okay, I just needed 75 points. This is where my entry began, actually. It's right around somewhere here. Yep, right up here. Had my stop loss there. And then 75 points. Where 75 points? Wait, that can't be real. This is where I exited, somewhere around here. So let me just say what I was looking for, right? So this entry right here, the reason for me to go for this entry because we have a range. So marked out the range, and then when the price breaks 25%, I got an inversion, a change in state delivery, but no fair value gap on this, right? So I just basically could have entered right here, took partials, and I would have probably got stopped out of break even. So I just didn't actually enter this trade, so I just couldn't actually get an entry up there. And I also we're looking at this price literally pushing down, and this was the final drawn liquidity for me, right? For the day, it was on 1 hour time frame, I guess. There we go. This is the ultimate drawn liquidity that I thought the price would actually come and take it. So, but as you can see, we were like trashing through all the liquidities right here. All of them at once. Literally can't even say nothing. There you go. We got every other liquidity get trapped right here. Even this one HERF I get didn't get hold of. So I don't know what else to do. So when I came back to the PM session, so I literally saw this entry right here. But I was not sure. I was really not sure where the price is about to go. So I was I was a little bit kind of scared because I really didn't want to trade because I was trading through my phone first things first. So there you go. But anyways, this is an absolute banger of a trade. So nothing but this inversion right here. Inversion, fair value gap, and then what is that? A market structure shift right there. So I could have taken a trade right here, but I was not sure. We already swept our liquidity. Another liquidity has been swept right here. Right. See that. So we got a liquidity sweep right here, liquidity sweep right here. We didn't break structure yet, so I cannot go for a buy entry. So I was just waiting for a clear break of structure, which I got it right here. Right here. So just basically took this two breakaway gaps and I took an entry right here and held through the trade. Probably I closed it right around somewhere here. I have no markings, nothing on it, but this was a trade. This was a trade. So this was a 2 minute fair value gap. I was just trading the trade. So yeah, basically that was my ideology. And I was just I just know for a fact that if the price would break this low, probably go break even. So that's what I did. And price literally went down after seeing these two breakaway gaps. I thought the price is going to come back up to this high right there. But as you can see, we didn't have any sort of inversion or a, a fair value gap being disrespected for the bearish side. We don't have none of that in this leg right here. So, I mean, yeah, this was the first bearish sign. And the second confirmation was right here. I could have just probably wait if I would have wait for the price to come back to this. I mean, what is that? Fair value gap, I would have probably missed out on this move and I would not have taken this trade. Or probably I would have chased the market, probably would have got into the shop right here. Probably I would have done a lot of bullshit. But anyways, man, I'm just grateful. I'm just happy that I caught this tiny move right here. We just had a minus 5% down today. I mean, minus 5% on Nasdaq, which is crazy. So couldn't do nothing. I wish this was not an eval. And here, right? Let me go ahead and talk about the first entry that we could have probably taken, right? So this right here, after seeing this 5 minute gap, I mean holding, we could have probably targeted this close right here. So that's like obviously a reasonable place to target. And yeah, that could have happened, but never expected this to happen. So I don't even know what to say. I'm just really tired. I probably didn't even talk like how I used to talk. I don't know what happened to me, but here we go. This was straight, and I just couldn't give up. So I was like pretty much trailing my stop loss to these places, right? So once I saw this 2 minute inversion, I was like in this candle, right? So I thought the price would definitely, if the price would inverse this, I probably would close the trade or I don't know, man. Like I don't know what to say. I would have done it, but anyways, here we go. There it is. And yeah, one and done. Not gonna lie. I took a lot of trades. But this was the initial entry. And after that, I had a fight with the market, and probably two contracts, three contracts just to fill in that 1,500 mark. So there was a lot of trades right here. So not gonna lie, I took a lot of trades. I don't even know how many trades, but this was the first entry. This is true, but after that, I should actually show the execution screenshot. You know, it's for my good. So this was the execution. There was a lot of entries actually, but who cares, right? And just don't give up, bro. Never give up on yourself. Just keep going, just keep pushing, no matter how ugly it might look, no matter how ugly it's going for you, no matter how disgusting you feel, just have this one thing in your head. Never give up, never ever give up. And if you feel like give up, just give another try. And if you still feel like giving up, still give another try. And if you still feel like you giving up, just give another try. And just just keep going until you win. If you really want it bad enough, you would do it. So you will win it. You would universe will give it to you if you really want it, if you really, really want it bad enough. So no matter what happens, no matter what is your circumstances, no matter whatever you might be going through personally, physically, whatever it might be, just never ever give up. And if you are what you say you are, then have no fears. So this is a song called Superstar. And I never actually I used to sing this song through the when the music actually plays in, but I never actually realized that if you are what you say you are, then have no fears. Then have no fear. If you are actually at what you say you are, what is the point of having fear? So eliminate it, keep moving, do things that actually going to help for your life. Do things that actually going to help your life. So nothing much, I guess. Uh, I said whatever the things that I need to say, and rest is just I gotta have to follow those things. And that's the only thing I need to do. So that's about it. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. So you're only 1 minute away. Adios.